Hello students, again welcome you in our YouTube channel Gavish Classes, and this is your YouTube teacher Gajendra Singh. Now today we will discuss about number of atoms in a unit cell. We calculate the number of atoms in a unit cell, that is for example primitive unit cell. We can find out the number of atoms in primitive as well as body centered as well as face centered. So we know that types of units we discussed in previous video lecture types of unit cells, types of unit cell, types of unit cell. So there are majorly four types of unit cell. First is primitive. Second is body centered. Third is face centered. And fourth is end centered. And these three unit cell under a centered unit cell. We discussed in previous video lecture. If you want to understand very easily, so I suggest you please go to the previous video lecture and see and after that this video lecture will be easy for you. So there are four unit cells: primitive, body centered, face centered, and last one is end centered. In this video lecture we can calculate number of atoms in primitive unit cell, body centered and face centered. We do not discuss about end center. This is not in syllabus. So now let's move on. First primitive unit cell, and we can find out the number of atoms in primitive unit cells. So first unit cell we can find out we have to find out the number of atoms in unit cell. Unit cell is primitive first. Primitive cubic unit cell. Primitive cubic unit cell. So what is primitive unit cell? That unit cell in which constituent particles for example they can be atoms, molecules or ions, etc. So if we talk about constituent particles, so they can be atoms, they can be molecules, and they can be ions. Which constituent particle of crystalline solids is present at the corner, at the corners of unit cell. So primitive cubic unit cell means that unit cell in which constituent particle of crystalline solid is present at the corners only. Constituent particle present at the corners only of a unit cell. So let's see figure 1. So this is figure 1 and this is figure 2 and this is figure. So we observe that in this view, first view, this is a primitive cubic unit cell. First is open structure. So this is the open structure of primitive unit cell, and this shows that these are the nucleus of the atoms. Can be of the molecules of the ions. So this is the atoms, nucleus of the atoms, and this is open structure. And if we observe that this figure, so this is space filling structure, means this is the atoms. This is atoms. So let's understand these types of things. So this is the open structure, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 atoms present at the corners in primitive unit cell. If we talk about open structure, so in open structure there are 8 atoms present. So this is the open structure, and move on space filling structure. So space filling structure, so this is the atoms, not a nucleus. This is the atoms. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, and last one is behind this space. So this is a space filling notation for the primitive cubic unit cell, and this is the actual portion of atoms in unit cell. Unit cell के अंदर, unit cell में कितना पोर्शन एटम्स का इंक्लूडेड है, वो ये स्ट्रक्चर शो कर रहा है। यहाँ पे ये 3D डायग्राम, ये 3D, लेकिन एक यूनिट सेल के अंदर ये जो चीजें, बाकी का जो रेस्ट ऑफ द पार्ट है वो क्या रिमूव है, जो बाहर है, किससे? क्यूबिक यूनिट सेल से। तो इसको डिस्कस करते हैं। So number of atoms in simple cubic unit cell means primitive cubic unit cell, or we can say simple cubic unit cell. So what is number of atoms in simple cubic cell? So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 8. So number of atoms present at the corners in primitive unit cell, that is 8. Number of portion which is include, which is inside the unit cell, inside the unit cell, portion which is inside the unit cell. One particle का जो कितना portion, how much portion inside the unit cell. So this is the 1/8 portion. 1/8 portion. Total number of atoms in simple unit cubic cell, there are 8. Portion which is inside the unit cell of one atom, this is 1/8 part inside the unit cell of the one atom. So total therefore total number of atoms present in a unit cell. So total number of atoms present in a unit cell, total number of atoms of simple cubic unit cell, that is there are 8. How much portion which is inside the unit cell of one atom, that is 1/8. So total number of atoms present in the unit cell, that is number of atoms into portion which is inside the unit cell, So we know that number of atoms 8 and portion of the one atom का कितना portion inside the unit cell, so that is 1/8. 8 से 8 cancel out. Number of atoms present in the primitive unit cell, that is 1. Only one atom present inside the unit cell. We know that there are 8 atoms present at the corners. If we talk about a unit cell, so only one atom present inside the unit cell. So that is one unit cell present in the primitive unit cell. So this is the final view is this. This is the final view. This part, one corner, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. अंदर की तरफ इस वाले पोर्शन का ये वाला पार्ट, ये कितना पार्ट है? ये 1/8 पार्ट. This is the 1/8. So this is all 1/8, 1/8, 1/8. So whole 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8. How many times? 8 times. So answer is 1 atoms. So this is the atoms present in the total number of atoms present inside the primitive unit cell. So now move on body centered unit cell. Actually this chapter this whole chapter depends on the imaginary power. If you have more imaginary power, so you got it. This you can easily treat this chapter if you have a very strong imaginary power. So now move on. Second, body centered unit cell. Body centered unit cell. Second, body centered cubic unit cell. So body centered unit cell means that type of unit cell in which constituent particles present at corners as well as one constituent particle present inside the body. So that unit cell in body centered unit cell, some constituent particle present at the corners and one constituent particle present inside the body. So this is the body centered unit cell. So let's see. So this is the body centered unit cell. So constituent particle present at corners and one constituent particle inside the body. This is the inside the body. Yes. We have suppose we have a box, open box. If we have a ball, if we put the ball inside the box, so that is called body center. So this is the definition, body centered unit cell, and this is the open structure, this is space filling structure, and this is actual portion of atoms in unit cell. So total number of atoms at corners. Total number of atoms at corners 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 atoms. One atoms total number of atoms at corners. How much portion inside the unit cell. So 8 at corner, 1/8 part inside the unit cell. So 1/8, that is 1 atom. Now one constituent particle present inside the body. One total number of atoms inside the body. We know that only one atom inside the body. This is the inside constituent particle one. And how much portion inside the unit cell? If we talk about how much portion inside the unit cell. So 1 मतलब बॉडी के अंदर ये जो वन पार्टिकल बॉडी के इनसाइड है, मतलब उसका होल पोर्शन इनसाइड है, उसके मतलब थोड़ा सा भी पोर्शन उसके यूनिट सेल से बाहर नहीं, मतलब जो जितने भी एटम्स बॉडी के अंदर है वो सारा क्या होगा उसके पोर्शन में आएगा. तो दैट इज 1. So total number of atoms in body centered BCC. So 1 and body 1. So there are 2 atoms. So if we talk about body centered unit cell, so total number of atoms present in the body center, that is 2. If we talk about primitive unit cell, so total number of atoms present in the unit cells present in the primitive unit cell, that is 1. Now move on third unit cell, that is face centered unit cell. So total number of atoms 1. Total number of atoms present inside the present in body center, total number of atoms 2. This is 1. Now move on face centered unit cell. Face centered unit cell. Face centered unit cell. In which constituent particles present at corners as well as all the faces. तो face centered unit cell, all constituent particles present at corners and some particles present all the faces. So this is the face centered unit cell, open structure type, and this is space filling structure type, and this is actual portion of atoms in unit cell. So total number of atoms at corners, so that is 8 corners. How much portion inside the body? How much portion of the atoms? How much portion of atoms inside the body? So
total number of atoms 8, and portion of the one atom present inside the body, that is 1 upon 8. Now total number of atoms on the faces, face 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 faces, so 6 atoms present. How much portion of atoms inside the unit cell? So total number of atoms on the face is 6, and how much portion of one atom present inside the body? So 1 upon 2 part. So let's see, this is half part and half part outside the crystal, outside the unit cell. So 3 atoms present on the faces. So total number of atoms present inside the face central unit cell, FCC. So at corners one atom, and on the faces 3. So 4 atoms if we have a face central unit cell. So total number of atom present in the unit cell, that is 4. Number of atoms present in the face centered, that is number of atoms 4. If we have a body central unit cell, so number of atoms present in the body central unit cell, that is number of atoms 2. And this is primitive cubic unit cell. So number of atoms present at the only corners. So 1 atoms present at the corners and portion 1 upon 8 part of the 1 atom present at the corners. So let's discuss in short way all cases. So let's summarize primitive unit cell equal body centered unit cell, and third one is face centered unit cell. Primitive unit cell constitute particle present at corners. So corners, how many corners? 8 corners. And one atom portion of the one atom present inside the body, that is 1 upon 8. So total atoms present in the primitive unit cell, that is 1 atom. Body centered unit cell constitute particle present at corners as well as one particle inside the body. So at corners 8 particle, one particle portion inside the body 1/8. So this is the only at corners plus inside the body inside the body 1 atoms. So 1 plus 1, that is 2 atom present. Number of atoms present in the body center, that is 2 atoms. If we talk about face centered, so face centered at corners 8 particles, portion inside the face centered 1/8, and plus how many faces? 6 faces, and portion of 1 atom inside the faces, so 1/2 part. 1/2 part of the face particle. So this is cancel out. 2 3 is 6. 1 plus 3, that is 4 atoms. 4 atoms. This is 2 atoms. This is